Introducing KitchenAid KSM1 APC Spiralizer. Reinvent classic meals and inspire your culinary creativity with fresh fruits and vegetables. The versatile KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core and slice stand mixer attachment with 5 blades is perfect for fresh fruit and vegetable recipes, from zucchini noodles to sweet and savory dishes. The KitchenAid Spiralizer uses 4 quick-change blades and an optional peeling blade to inspire healthy versions of classic recipes and unleash your culinary potential. Fine Spiralizer blade works with fruit and vegetable skewer. And optional peeling blade on speed 4. Suggested foods are zucchini, sweet potatoes, and beets. Medium Spiralizer blade works with fruit and vegetable skewer. And optional peeling blade on speed 6. Suggested foods are zucchini, sweet potatoes, and potatoes. Spiral slice blades large and small core. Works with fruit and vegetable skewer. And optional peeling blade. For large core blade use speed 6, for small core blade use speed 4. Suggested foods are apples, pears, zucchini, and beets. Spiral peeling blade works with fruit and vegetable skewer on speed 4. Suggested foods are apples and potatoes.